Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So open first the control panel the Play Store application, and in the search pool under the X-Icon Changer. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could use. For example, let's change the phone application icon. You could rename it by tap to this edit icon. Here we got different folders with the icons which we could change, which we could use the default ones, or to use photo from our device gallery, or to take a picture in camera app. For example, this is the phone one. Let's find the similar icon. So for example, this one, tap to OK on the right upper corner, and now tap to add automatically button. Shortcut form created. We could go to desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new icon, the phone icon, and this is the regular one. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.